Hey guys, we're going to pick this Bell Catalyst 300 U-lock, bicycle lock. It's a dimple lock, 5-pin dimple lock there. But we're going to pick it. I've picked it before, once before, this lock, but just going to do it a bit different this time. I'm going to use bobby pins, just 2 bobby pins, one for the lever, one for the pick. Yes, my regular viewers, not bobby pins again. Afraid so. I'm having too much fun with them. Alright, let's lock the bike up and see if we can pick it. Alright, let's lock it up. And let's unlock it with the bobby pins. There you go, unlocked.